It's your girl, FitnessWithFlexHERS, and today I'm with my beautiful client, NYEEMAH. We just finished the 8-week challenge, and we're going to tell you guys all about it. So NYEEMAH, how much did you weigh when we first started working together, and what do you weigh now?
My starting weight was 174, and now I am 160.
Woo! Stay tuned for the progress pictures because they are all the hook. NYEEMAH, tell me about your journey. What was hard for you? What were you able to achieve? Tell me all that good stuff.
So in the beginning, it was kind of hard. I'm not even gonna lie. Changing my food was the hardest thing, but once I changed my diet, my stomach went away. Like, just being honest. So, and then I did achieve what I wanted. I wanted toned arms. I got them. I wanted a flat stomach. I got it. So, yeah, just staying consistent, honestly.
Nice. Tell me a little bit about what were you able to learn from this journey? What was the biggest thing you could take away from this?
I would say I definitely learned how to eat. Like, when it came, like, meal prepping was my best friend. I cooked a lot more. I saved money too.
Hey.
I didn't even realize like how much I ate out. Now that I know like what, I'm the one who's making it, so I know what's in it and I'm able to track it better. And yeah, so just learn how to eat.
Yeah, definitely. You end up looking at food differently. What she says is very true. When you go out to eat, you start thinking about, damn, what oil did they use? Damn, like, how did they cook this? Did they fry it? Did they bake it? Am I going to feel it the next day? Am I going to see it on myself the next day? Is my stomach going to hurt? Because once you start eating clean, believe it or not, a lot of people have this misconception of like, damn, Sam, when can I have a cheeseburger? When can I have this? Pancakes, all of this. But the minute they get the liberty to go out and eat after they've been following a consistent, clean diet, the first thing that happens is they get sick. So, 1, save money. 2, you become a chef. And 3, you learn about what you eat. So, I'm very, very happy about that. Tell us a little bit about your injury.
So I think I got the injury of, I want to say a few years ago. I used to be a cheerleader.
Hey.
So yeah, I don't know, maybe I pulled something. I never got it checked. It got worse and worse. I ignored it. But now I don't even feel it yet.
Hey.
I don't feel it. I'm not even joking. It's just because like Sam helped me get it back to like normal. Like I literally could not do this like when I first met her or like any of these. So she just helped like train my shoulder back. So now I can do a whole push-up.
Hey. And
I can do more than a whole push-up. But
I'm very proud of you of that.
Thank you.
When we first started to rehabilitate her shoulder, we started with baby steps. I remember she would look at me and be like, Sam, am I ever going to be able to do a push-up? Am I ever going to be able to do this? I would tell her like, hey mom, we're going to get there, don't worry. What would you say to other people that are trying to do something like this and are thinking to themselves like, I'm never going to be able to do it? What advice would you give them?
I just got to stick to it. I know like people say all these fads, these fad trends, and I'm like,
it don't work.
So yeah, just to stay consistent, and I like having somebody like hold me accountable for it. Like I'll be like, all right, let me make sure I can do this, and make sure I can have this, or Sam, what do you think about this? So I needed someone like stay on top of me.
Yeah, and it takes out the guessing game, right?
Yeah.
A lot of women or a lot of people in general, they're like, damn, I'm going to the gym, I'm doing the most I can now. Should I be having this? Should I be having that? Am I eating too much? Am I eating too little? So it really does help when you have somebody taking out the guessing game out of all of it and letting you know exactly what to do to get to your fitness goal. NYEEMAH, would you recommend this to anyone?
Yes! I'm skinny!
That's super exciting. Can you say that anyone can do this?
Yes, absolutely.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'm very proud of her. I'm very proud of you. Thank you for sticking to it.
Thanks.
I'm very grateful for having someone like you allowing me to help you get there. And also, this is not the end for you, right?
No, it's just starting.
Exactly. This is just the beginning.